Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose themes. Now you need to click on more next to free themes and tap on themes at the bottom left corner if they are not already on. Following that, tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Stitch. Then tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one because that's the only one with Stitch on it. Choose free over here, wait a bit and tap on apply. After clicking apply, you need to wait a couple of seconds and then choose home button. As you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by choosing the same settings, scrolling down and tapping on themes again. This time select my themes, click on classic and tap on apply. But you can also go into free themes, click on profile at the bottom left corner, tap on themes over here, choose classic and tap on apply as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!